Hi and welcome to lesson 6 in the series of Adobe Photoshop Elements Digital Photography. We're going to open 3 images today, and we're going to combine 3 images into one, and I'm going to open these 3 together that are already on my desktop. So I'm highlighting those 3 with left click on my mouse and right click, open with Elements 5. That's the first one. Just minimize that so I can find the others on my desktop. Right click, open with. Sometimes this will open the 3 of them together. Okay. The first picture we're going to work with is the Golden Gate Bridge, and we're going to cut out the aeroplanes from this and place them in the background. So I think I'll just use my magnetic lasso tool and just click around this and up to my starting point, marching ants, Control C, back to the bridge, Control V, my move tool, and place it up here. There is a little bit of variance in colour, and you can change that if you wish to, or you could smudge it in or use your blur tool down the bottom. We might just use the smudge tool. I should really be working on the bottom layer as well. I'll just undo all that. The other thing you could do back at the original picture is to use Control key and U, and that's your hue and saturation. You could make that a little bit lighter or darker. That should blend through a little bit better, I think. So I might go back there and undo, and now I'll try the lasso tool again, just to save having to fix the image once it's put in. And marching ants, Control C, Control V, our move tool, back up. It's a little bit better blend. Okay. Now we're going to place the family up into the bridge. So the easiest way to do that is just grab the family, hold your left mouse down, let go, and the family's dropped in. It's created another layer on the side, and we're going to grab the magic wand tool, click on that magic wand once, and what it's doing is selecting the whole colour in the background, and I can just press delete on my keyboard and it's gone. Notice there's still a bit of colour from the background in here and in here, and I'll just click the magic wand, delete on my keyboard, click the magic wand, delete again, grab my move tool and position the family, and then I'm just going to give them a more realistic setting there. And once I'm happy with that, click the tick, and then it's just a matter of blurring in or smudging in these devices. So you will need to click on the layer applicable to that and smudge it through, or you can work from the background and smudge that in, or you can grab your clone stamp tool with your Alt key, click, and then just paste that through. Whatever works for you. Probably go, I think when I was doing the toning on this, it was about +9, so maybe even a little bit lighter, probably 12, and then carry that through. Okay, and there's our end product. As before, file, save as, either as a PSD or a JPEG, and rename your file, of course, because we want to keep the originals. And that concludes the lesson.